Dude, in my last video, people were telling me different kinds of stuff. People were telling me I'm a bad trader, I'm discouraging the people that want to trade, I'm doing this and that. But before I say anything here, let me show you guys something. The comment I got, right? Someone said, I've become a laughing stock in my place of work at home. I'm even still in debt of 2.5 million and I don't even know how to pay, right? Another person said, Baba, I lost salary of 4 years. I dropped out of uni. Another person said, personally, the feeling of euphoria, fear, and greed made me lose money. And no one can teach you those emotional control. It's best felt, so you learn, right? This one said, Omo, as I'm dropping these comments, I'm homeless from Friday. Everything I had is gone. My job is gone. The only valuable thing I have is with me is my laptop and blah, blah, blah. The guy complained bitterly, right? This one said, I can't talk my experience. It's too long for the comments. Right now, I'm still trying to convince myself that I haven't given up, right? These are the comments I got in the last video that I said people should not do Forex. The comments say plenty, you'll see something. The truth is that Forex has actually destroyed people's life. Forex has ruined some people. Some people will never make it in life anymore because of Forex. And those ones, you won't see them. They won't come online to say, Forex, do this to me, Forex, do that to me. Now, people that want to trade Forex are divided into two, right? Number one, the first category is 95% of the traders. In fact, 95 to 98% of the traders, right? The second category is just 5% to 3%, right? So the first category of people are the people that saw Forex online, the 95%, right? They saw Forex online, they saw mad profit, they saw $100 to $4,000, $200 to $15,000. They see Lambo, they see people going on yachts and saying I'm successful because of trading and all. And they feel like, wow, this is a good thing. I want to be rich too. And then they join Forex. And then they went to watch YouTube videos and they will see some kind of, teachings and stuff. They will say market structure. They just think they know how to trade already. And then they will put their money. And you now know the funniest thing is that first time they put their money, they will make money. That's the craziest thing about Forex. First time you put your money, you will make. In fact, if you use demo account, you will make millions in demo. For any idiot, we make money in demo account. Mere watching YouTube videos, but put your money and see. Now they will fund their account and then they will start losing. But because they've made money, they will think, I mean, not me make that money. I can make it. And then even when their own personal funds is exhausted, they will have to borrow because they want to get that money back. And then they will keep putting till it spoil till it destroy the cost of their. People are telling me I'm trying to discourage people. You can see all these comments I'm getting, and it is my own situation too. People won't tell you the reality of it. They won't tell you this is the real thing. This is what happens in Forex. It's only the good part that they show you. Forex is not for everybody. You see those Forex traders, those successful ones that you think that they actually have money and they just put $200 and then they start making millions and that's how they bought Lambo. Now lie. That is not the reality of Forex. They've had years. That's why people will tell you that if you want to become a successful trader, dedicate like 5 years of your life. Just estimate like, okay, 5 years you want to use it and learn Forex and trade too and all back test trade, all those things. You have to use it. Now if you want to learn it, they've actually simplified everything. You can actually learn all the market structure, price action. They call this strategy. They have SMC, ICT, PPA, Algo. They have different kinds of strategy. Now if you want to learn that one, you now go. It's not like you saw screenshot online and nobody will tell you this. Nobody will tell you this. I'm telling you right now. People just show riches online and they will say, and you will see it and be like, oh, nice one, I want to do Forex. That's not how it works, man. That's how people like me and all the comments that you have been seeing, that's how they keep losing in Forex. Tell people the truth. Forex is not bed of roses. Forex will fuck you up if you don't know the right thing to do. Now the best thing you can do, you see all those Forex people, all those successful Forex traders, they are not ordinary human beings, they are geniuses. And even if they are not geniuses, they've dedicated a substantial amount of time to the Forex market and they've spent money too. They've seen, if Forex traders, all those successful ones, they are telling you their history. So don't think Forex is you just enter Forex and make money. The best thing you can do for yourself is get a mentor. Those successful ones that are successful in the Forex market already, reach out to one of them, pay them if they ask you to pay them, and follow them step by step. They are already there already. So if you follow them step by step, you will not lose. You will not just make stupid mistake that me I'm making. For people starting Forex that just want to start Forex, mentorship is your best option. That's how your dumb broke ass can actually make any money from the Forex market, because you'll be following their steps. Mentorship is your best option. Seek mentorship, follow them, follow their risk management plan, follow their trades, follow their lessons. Don't do anything outside that. If you see Forex online and you just want to hop on it by watching YouTube video, you will lose. You will lose. And now, this mentorship, they are not cheap. That's the funniest thing. They are not cheap. You have to. Dax Forex is $2,000. Like mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, $2,000. How much do they make from your workplace? Now, another thing is, if you want to trade Forex, right, you have to have something you are doing. Don't make Forex your only hustle, only thing you are doing to make money, or else you will be emotional, because it's your only chance. I hear people say, is either I make it in Forex or nothing. No, don't do that. Keep doing what you are doing. If it's 9 to 5 job that you are doing, keep doing it and be investing little of your money, probably 30% into Forex. And then you like that, you won't be emotional and then get the mentorship. That's why Forex is not for everybody. Not everybody has that money. You carry your $200, your life saving, you go put them for Forex. If you lost, who go? Number one, this is the tricky part about that. Number one, that money is your life saving. So anything that is happening in market like this, if it's a loss, you'll be like, God, I beg. You'll be scared. And you make stupid decisions. If you come out that loss, see, I've had series of these experiences. If you come out that loss, enter again. Say, okay, you don't come down. Yeah, make I enter again. The thing will come there, be like, yeah, God, I beg. Now, if it's going up, if you just go up small and then you're making $2 or $20, you remove it. Let me remove that profit. Make sure secure yourself first. And whereas that $20, that trade that you come out $20 is going $2,000. But you won't be able to wait because you're emotional. Anyone that is emotional about Forex, you will lose. Don't just argue them. You will lose your money. Now, that's the first part. The second part is that your hard-earned money, if you go, when you go see another one, it will just handicap you, it will wreck you. You won't be able to further your life. You won't be able to even go back to your 9 to 5 job or whatever you are doing because you don't have money to even eat. You don't have money to transport. That's why I'm saying Forex changed my whole life, my look, my everything. Forex destroyed a lot of things. Do you understand? Another thing is stick to one particular style of trading. Now, some people have, sit down and think about it, and it is best to stick to one pair, one session, probably London, Asian, or US session, New York session rather. So stick to one session, one pair, one trade per day. Do you understand? And risk management. Risk management is the most important of all. Now, if you stick to that, there is no way, even if you lose, stay out of market. If you win, stay out of market. Because if you win too, adrenaline, they always rush. You will be like, you are making money. You put again and then you go and lose your account. So if you win, stay out of market. If you lose, stay out of market. That's like a good strategy to trade Forex. And that's what I will be doing from now on. I've started already. I took one trade today. And guess what? I'm just using $10 actually because I'm testing the strategy. I'm just starting it. So I'm testing if it works. So I put $10 and I made $2 today. That sounds so little, but it's progress, right? I made $2. These are the screenshots. And I will be doing that every day. One trade per day, making progress like that, and see if it works. If it works for a month for me like that, and I'm able to scale it up to like $200 or so, I'll put real money. I'll put like $2,000 or $1,000. I hope I have it then because I don't have it right now. So, well, I'll be posting that every week. So I'll be showing you guys how that goes. Till then, I guess it's diet.